Welcome to my collection of smart criteria for meal prep dishes. Learn the secrets to quick, easy, and healthy meals packed with flavor. Let's look at today's criteria.
Hi, my name is Alex from No-Fuss Meal Prep, the kaleidoscope technique, and I want to show you today or explain to you today one more criteria or aspect of no-fuss meal prep which makes it a breeze in the kitchen. So this second criteria, which I think is very important for your meal prep habits, is time. Bummer, I know. We just want everything to be super quick. But the same is for meal prep. Don't choose recipes or dishes, meals where you really have like 10 or 20 steps. Choose a recipe which is basically just set and forget. I'll get into these ones later. But that is what time is about. Pick the dish which really requires very little active time and very little time you actually you need to stay by the stove. For example, if you have something which is boiling in hot water, I'm thinking of well, I don't know if you will ever cook them, but noodles made from chickpeas or lentils, they really foam up, and it might go really quick, well, as you need to cook noodles. But the thing is that the thing boils over very easily. So you really have to be very attentive and stay next to it, and be really careful that it's not going to mess up your entire kitchen. So choose something where you don't have to be so attentive. Choose something which goes really, really quick. If you just pop it into the oven, like some vegetables with olive oil, salt, pepper, done. Or, for example, if you put veggies just to steam, also super, super easy. It doesn't really matter which way you steam it. If you have a steamer for it, if you do it just with a sieve on the bottom, or if you have other gadgets you can use to steam, or if you do it in the microwave. Usually it's very, very simple and easy, and that's what we're going for. So when you pick your meal, be aware of the time you need to prep. Keep that in mind, because that's what it is about. We want to carve out time. Okay, see you soon for tip number 3. Bye.